Some people might ask, what are you gonna do today? Be at home, be a lazy person, watch TV, eat potato chips. Not me. And so you might ask, well, what do you like to do on the weekends? Oh, you know, make a YouTube video or two, maybe this a little bit, it's all the same to me. I don't care what person